Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today we're doing a full deep dive into XLOOKUP, one function that replaces VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and even index match in most situations. We're covering 6 features: basic lookup, handling missing values, returning multiple columns at once, two-way lookups, approximate matching, and wildcard searches. Let's get into it. XLOOKUP only needs 3 things to work: the value you are looking for, the range to search in, and the range to return results from. In this example, we have a Pokemon data table with columns like name, type, generation, HP, attack, defense, and more. We type in a name, and XLOOKUP returns the ID, generation, and attack for that Pokemon instantly. Notice we can search the name column and return data from completely different columns. No column index numbers, no counting, just point XLOOKUP at what you want and it finds it. Clean, readable, and far less fragile than VLOOKUP. What happens when XLOOKUP cannot find your search value? By default, it returns an NA error, but XLOOKUP has a built-in fix for that. In this example, we search for Psyduck, which is not in our table. Watch the difference between the 2 rows. The first formula has no if not found argument, so it returns a hash NA. The second formula has the if not found argument filled in, so it returns a clean, custom message instead. No need to wrap your formula in if error. XLOOKUP handles it natively with the 4th argument. Here is where XLOOKUP really pulls ahead. Instead of returning a single value, it can return an entire row of results at once. In this example, we search for Alakazam and use a multi-column return range covering HP, attack, defense, sp.atk, sp.def, and speed. A single XLOOKUP formula fills all 6 columns in the result row automatically. That is Excel's dynamic array feature doing the heavy lifting. 1 formula, 1 result row, 6 values populated instantly. No more writing a separate formula for every column. Need to find the value at the exact intersection of a row and a column? That is a two-way lookup, and XLOOKUP handles it with 2 nested formulas. In this example, we have 2 inputs, a name and a category. We want to find the specific stat for that Pokemon and that category. Type in Alakazam and attack, and the result gives you Alakazam's exact attack value. Here is how it works. The inner XLOOKUP searches the table headers for the category and returns the matching column as an array. The outer XLOOKUP then searches that array for the name and returns the result. 2 inputs, 1 result. No pivot table required. What if your exact value is not in the table? XLOOKUP can find the closest match using approximate mode. In this example, we search for a defense value of 64. That exact number does not exist in our data. By setting the match mode to -1, XLOOKUP returns the next smaller value. Set it to 1 and it returns the next greater value instead. The 2 output rows show both. Name of the next smaller defense value and name of the next greater one. This is incredibly useful for things like tax brackets, pricing tiers, or any range-based lookup. 1 input, 2 useful answers. Last one, wildcard search. This is where XLOOKUP gets seriously flexible. In this example, we type sp.astrar as the category. The asterisk is a wildcard that matches anything starting with sp. There are actually 2 columns in the table that start with sp, which is sp.atk and sp.def. Notice the 2 results. Starting from the first item returns sp.atk. Starting from the last item returns sp.def. That is the search mode argument at work. Set it to 1 to search forward, set it to -1 to search from the bottom up. To activate wildcard mode, set the match mode argument to 2. That 1 number unlocks partial match searching across your entire table. That is XLOOKUP from every angle. 6 features, 1 function, and honestly, there is very little reason to go back to VLOOKUP after this. Quick recap. Basic 3-argument lookup. Built-in if not found handling. Return multiple columns at once. Two-way lookup with nested formulas, approximate match for closest values, and wildcard search for partial matches. That is how you make Excel. And if you want to take your Excel models beyond a spreadsheet and turn them into a real web application your whole team can use, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Links below.